The following message is transmitted at the request of the Converse County Sheriff's Office. An unknown situation is currently unfolding within the city of Douglas. Many conflicting reports have started to come into the sheriff's office about many children suddenly dying in a gruesome fashion due to an unexplained cause. While investigation is currently ongoing in order to determine the cause of this event, those that have children in their vicinity are urged to take them indoors for their safety. Not doing so may put you or your child at risk. While indoors, continue to remain updated on the current situation and call 911 if you are put in any danger. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The Federal Emergency Management Agency has reported many deaths occurring throughout the western United States. Current investigation efforts have reported one recorded similarity with the corpses of the deceased. All bodies examined or witnessed have reported an explosion of one or more appendages, which is said to cause rapid exsanguination of the blood, leading to death within a few minutes. Death is instant if a vital body part, such as the head or torso, has exploded. The cause behind the exploding body parts is still unknown at this time, and many investigations are currently undergoing to determine how this phenomenon is spreading. Residents currently outdoors at this time are ordered to seek a secure building and to shelter in place until this crisis has ended. Avoid contact with others if applicable. If you currently possess any method of receiving information, please attempt to remain tuned in to receive any new updates as they become available. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
Please await a message from the representative of the President of the United States.
Good evening, citizens of the United States. I am speaking on behalf of the President of the United States, as he is currently away from the White House due to the events currently befalling us lately. As you all may know, the nation has been experiencing sudden and gruesome killings for an unexplained cause. Through a joint effort from the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the United States Department of Defense, the Department of Homeland Security, the Federal Bureau of Investigation, and the government of the United States, the cause for these killings has now been revealed to be a simple childish action through means of replicating a firearm by using the fingers as a gun, and saying the word bang, which will cause any body part aimed at to explode in a violent fashion. Once this has occurred, no resuscitation is possible, and death is guaranteed within a few minutes of an appendage detonating. Death is instant if a vital part, such as the head or torso, explodes. My fellow Americans, if you have a child with you, please ensure that they do not perform this action, as the risk for death is high, as many other individuals have also been reported to possess this ability. Do not attempt to seemingly act as if you are shooting someone, as you may cause death by doing so. The United States government is currently attempting to apprehend these individuals in order to prevent more casualties from occurring. According to international reports, this phenomenon has been spotted in cities such as London, Venice, Paris, Beijing, Tokyo, Mexico City, and other locations situated around the globe. Casualty counts are reported to be in the millions worldwide, and the exact nature of this phenomenon is still unknown. If you currently possess this ability, avoid shooting at others. While times may look bleak currently, the nations across the world will rebuild and become stronger than ever, not just the United States. Please heed the previous instructions, and be sure to be considerate during these trying times. This now ends my message. May God bless you, and may God bless the United States.
That was a message from a representative of the President of the United States. We will now return to the emergency alert system.
Normal programming operations will now resume at this time. Please remain tuned into all media outlets for more information. Update pertaining to the phenomenon that plagued the United States. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Department of Homeland Security, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the United States government. The unknown phenomenon that has affected the world's nations has now ended. The individuals that possess the ability to cause a body part to explode have been apprehended and eradicated, and the threat has now mitigated completely. Very few are currently left, and are deemed to not be a threat. Despite the threat being eradicated, please be wary of those within your vicinity, as they may possess the ability, now deemed the bang. Be wary of damage that may be present in your area. This activation of the emergency alert system will now cease transmission. Normal programming will now resume at this time. The United States government thanks everyone for cooperating during the emergency.